Boom shakalaka, why Bitcoin is poised for an absolutely massive rally, plus the one thing that could cause the mother of all crashes. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at why Bitcoin is poised for a massive breakout. Plus, one thing to just keep in the back of your mind that could crash the entire market. Not just Bitcoin, not just cryptocurrencies, but stocks and pretty much everything else. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push the like button, and let's get into it. Today, more extreme fear at 25, where we were yesterday. We haven't been in extreme fear for a little bit over a month, but we're back there. The overall market up 2% today. Bitcoin at 21,704, Ethereum at 1702, BNB at 300, XRP 34 cents, Cardano 46 cents, Solana $36, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Leo Token, Chiliz, Cosmos Hub, Shiba Inu, and Kyber Network Crystal. However, keep an eye on how much of the portfolio is stable coins. And if you want to check out Token Metrics for yourself, there is a 1-week free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today, sitting in this little megaphone pattern that we've been in since June, and it seems like we're finding a little bit of support on that as it's following up in a bullish progression. Now, this could be good news because you can see we have a low, a higher low, another higher low. That is a bullish pattern. We just need to once again break above this 200 weekly moving average. How many times will we have to do that? I don't know. But if we take a look at the charts today, this guy Cheyenne BTC saying, when should we buy Bitcoin? The best time to buy Bitcoin is often during minor capitulation period. Now, like, minor capitulation is implied when the 30-day MA crosses below the 60-day MA. And as we can see here, it's indicated in green right here. Every time that has happened, look at what happened to Bitcoin price. Price goes up, price goes up, price goes up, price goes up. Well, it just happened once again, suggesting that price may go up. Not only that, but we have a Bitcoin formation of a descending broadening wedge after a peak. The peak was back in November. We have a descending broadening wedge, and in 79% of cases, the exit is bullish. That means 4 out of 5 times it's a bullish pattern, meaning that the price will go up from there. Not only that, but if we take a look at this pattern, the hash ribbons indicator, one of the most meaningful for Bitcoin, again, recently given a buy signal. Every time this has happened, the price of Bitcoin has risen at least 65%. As a matter of fact, on average, about 126%. Usually the price rises much higher. And being how it happened 6 times previously, that means there's a 7 out of 8 or an 88% chance that it will go up this time. So we have 79% going up, 88% going up. And if we take a look here at Bitcoin bull market trick, a simple strategy that tells you when to buy Bitcoin with complete peace of mind. So if you're worried if you should buy, well, this chart is saying, hey, you can wait a little bit, but you may not have as good gains as people who buy at the bottom, but it might give you a little bit more satisfaction. If you use this bull market trick, and once this passes through the green line, however, I'm not sure exactly what this green line is. I would say it's roughly about the 100 weekly moving average. Once Bitcoin price moves through there, you can see afterwards there was a rally. Sometimes not as great a rally as other times, but it's saying don't buy just yet. As a matter of fact, if we take a look at the chandelier accumulation zone strategy, right now signaling massive accumulation zone. Basically, when this is green, that's accumulation. When it's red, profit taking. Well, we are in green right now. As soon as it flips to red, that would be the beginning of the bull run. This chart right here, a slightly different view of the last 2 cycles, which are connected closely 100%. The first Klinger oscillator signal line crossing happened shortly after hitting the low and shortly before the second one, bull run crossing. So you can see right here, the first Klinger oscillator signal line happened right after the bottom, the second one during the peak. Well, we had the first one right here. We might have a second one before the peak occurs. So this chart here is saying great buy opportunity right now. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin MA ribbon crossing ongoing. Comparable situation to 2019. So think back here when Bitcoin was roughly $3,000. The yellow line with a significant distance to the actual price level. You can see here, very large distance between Bitcoin price and the yellow line. Same thing happening right here, a very large distance between Bitcoin and the yellow line, suggesting now could be a very, very good buy opportunity. Not only that, but if we compare Bitcoin right now with what it's done previously, you guys remember this is 2017, 2019, and then afterwards, Well, we have Bitcoin poised for some absolutely massive breakouts because it did something similar pattern in 2020, could do it over a longer time scale and head up into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Because Bitcoin, believe it or not, this time is different, right? Is it, or is it just repeating itself time and time again? Parabola, consolidation, parabola, consolidation, parabola, consolidation, parabola. We have already consolidated, so the parabola would be the next phase. With this one little hitch in your giddy up, this chart right here could be the straw that breaks the camel's back. I'm not sure if you guys remember 2008, but there was basically a mortgage crisis, a housing crisis. Well, if we take a look at this chart right here from Genevieve Rock Dector, CFA, this is not oil, a meme stock, or even a scam. It's the median monthly mortgage payment in America. We can see an unprecedented surge in home buyer mortgage payments. Mortgage payment on the 4-week rolling average of the median asking price. Because a lot of people bought houses and they didn't buy it with a fixed mortgage. Guess what? As interest rates go up, the price of mortgages goes up. There could be a lot of foreclosures and different types of things going on in the near future, similar to what we saw in 2008, which could cause a much larger crash across the economy as we have, I would say, tricky financial situations with this going on. So this could be the one thing to keep your eye on. Will we have a huge housing collapse, which could trigger other collapses in other markets? And how will Bitcoin respond to that? I don't have an answer for you, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll do well. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. It helps out so much. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.